The monsoon continues to make slow progress across Punjab, leaving most parts of the state under persistent heat and high humidity. According to the India Meteorological Department, a heat wave alert has been issued for several districts on July 16 and 17, that is today and tomorrow, while weather conditions are expected to improve from July 18, with light rain and drizzle likely in many areas by July 19. Well, on Wednesday, that is yesterday, Punjab's average maximum temperature increased by 0.4 degrees Celsius compared to the previous day and remained 2.1 degrees above the seasonal average. Despite isolated spells of drizzle, temperatures stayed high across the state, and Firozpur recorded 0.5 millimeters of rainfall, and the Firozpur Observatory received 1.0 millimeter, and Hoshiarpur also recorded 1.0 millimeter of rain, while most other districts remained dry. Faridkot emerged as the hottest location in Punjab, recording a maximum temperature of 41.3 degrees Celsius. Bathinda followed at 40.4 degrees, while Fazilka and Rupnagar both recorded 38.8 degrees Celsius. Patiala registered 37.6 degrees, Chandigarh 36.7 degrees, and Jalandhar and Ludhiana both recorded 36.4 degrees Celsius. While other stations reported comparatively lower temperatures, including Firozpur at 36 degrees, Faridkot Observatory at 36.5 degrees, Moga and Hoshiarpur at 35.2 degrees each, Pathankot at 35.1 degrees, Sangrur at 35 degrees, Amritsar at 34.6 degrees, and Gurdaspur at 34.5 degrees Celsius. And for July 16, that is today, the Meteorological Department has already issued a heat wave alert for Firozpur, Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Faridkot, Moga, Bathinda, Barnala, and Mansa districts. While isolated light drizzle is possible in districts including Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Tarantaran, Kapurthala, Hoshiarpur, Rupnagar, Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar, Mohali, Fatehgarh Sahib, Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Bathinda, Mansa, Firozpur, and Faridkot. The weather is expected to remain dry over Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Moga, Barnala, Sangrur, and Patiala, with uncomfortable humidity continuing throughout the day. The heat wave is expected to persist on July 17, that is tomorrow, in Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Firozpur, Faridkot, Moga, Bathinda, and Mansa. And at the same time, isolated light rain or drizzle is likely in Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Kapurthala, Tarantaran, Firozpur, Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Faridkot, Bathinda, Mansa, Rupnagar, Mohali, and Fatehgarh Sahib. However, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Barnala, Sangrur, and Patiala are expected to remain dry. Relief is likely to begin from July 18, as the IMD has not issued any heat wave alert for Punjab on that day. Isolated light rainfall is expected in Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Tarantaran, Kapurthala, Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, and several other areas. Meanwhile, the southwestern districts including Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Firozpur, Faridkot, Moga, Bathinda, and Mansa are likely to remain dry. And on July 19, weather activity is expected to become more widespread across the state, as light rain is likely at isolated places in Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Sangrur, Patiala, Fatehgarh Sahib, Shaheed Bhagat Singh Nagar, and Mohali. Pathankot is expected to receive rainfall at several places, while isolated drizzle is also forecast for Fazilka, Shri Muktsar Sahib, Firozpur, Faridkot, Moga, Bathinda, Mansa, Tarantaran, and Kapurthala. Looking beyond Punjab, the India Meteorological Department has forecast widespread rainfall across several parts of the country today, as heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over parts of eastern and northeastern India, while thunderstorms accompanied by lightning and gusty winds are likely in multiple states. And at the same time, hot and humid weather conditions are expected to continue over parts of northern and southern India, highlighting the contrasting weather patterns currently prevailing across the nation. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.